Heating, cooling, lighting, systems, repairs. Major costs for organizations operating all types of building, premises, and infrastructure. And today, that's made more challenging by volatile rising energy prices, stricter green targets, and complex maintenance. Connected Facilities integrates smart equipment, digital technologies, the Internet of Things, and advanced analytics to transform how every organization can monitor, control, and optimize buildings' performance in real time around the clock, with intelligence, responsiveness, and agility. We bring deep operational and industry knowledge, with unrivaled digital expertise and innovation, to drive lower costs and higher performance. Our tailored solutions deliver integrated energy supply and demand, real-time analytics and predictive control, and ubiquitous connectivity to achieve breakthrough outcomes. Lowering maintenance costs, increasing employee productivity, hitting environmental goals, and reducing energy consumption. The result? Major savings that can be reinvested right back into the business.